Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix the game has lost connection. Please relaunch the client in Valorant game. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all, open your command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on S to apply. Here copy and paste some of commands, all commands available on my video description. Copy and paste first command. Hit enter. Copy. Copy second command. Hit enter. Copy third command. Hit enter. Copy fourth command. Hit enter. Copy fifth command. Then hit enter. After doing this, close this window. Go to the control panel. Click on network and sharing. Then click on network and sharing center. In this, you select change adapter settings. Right click on network adapter. Click on properties. In this, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then select here use the following DNS server addresses. Then type here 8888. Type in alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. That's it guys, so in this video fix this problem. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.